In this video, you'll learn how to acquire Chainlink on Trust Wallet. This process involves several straightforward steps that will guide you from accessing the wallet to completing your purchase of Chainlink. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This will be your starting point for accessing Trust Wallet and the necessary features for buying Chainlink. Once the Google homepage loads, you can proceed to the next step. Next, search for the Trust Wallet extension. You can do this by typing Trust Wallet extension into the Google search bar. After the search results appear, click on the official link to the Trust Wallet extension. This will take you to the page where you can install or access the extension. Once you have the Trust Wallet extension open, locate and click on the Fund option on the main interface. This section is where you will initiate the process of buying cryptocurrency. After selecting Fund, you will see various options related to funding your wallet. After that, click on the Buy Crypto button. This action will direct you to the cryptocurrency purchasing section. It is important to ensure that your Trust Wallet is set up correctly and that you have a sufficient balance or payment method ready for the transaction. Next, you will need to click on Choose a Crypto. This option allows you to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. A list of available cryptocurrencies will be displayed for your selection. Following this, click on the search bar that appears in the list of cryptocurrencies. This feature will allow you to quickly find Chainlink among the many options available. Type in Chainlink in the search bar. As you enter the name, the interface will filter the results to show Chainlink specifically. This will help you identify it easily among other cryptocurrencies. Once you locate Chainlink in the search results, select it. This action confirms your choice and prepares you for the next step in the purchasing process. Now, type the amount of Chainlink you wish to buy in the designated field. Be mindful of your budget and ensure you are aware of the current market value of Chainlink, as this will influence how much you can purchase. Finally, click on the Continue button to proceed with your transaction. At this point, you may see a summary of your purchase, including the total cost and any applicable fees. Review this information carefully before confirming the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next